Alright, so I missed a video for yesterday, and I have a reason. Went to a party on Saturday, like I've been the past couple weeks, and I'm leaving the driveway of Drake's girlfriend's house, and I back up into a ditch. So my car goes into a ditch. Not really into a ditch, it got stuck. So 45 minutes of wasted time. I was stuck in a ditch. And I had to wake up in 4 hours to go to work. And it was a blizzard outside. I just did not have time to upload my video for Saturday. It was just a hectic week, hectic day. And what you're about to see are some nature videos that I took probably like 3 months ago. So it's interesting how video that you don't think you're going to use ever, you finally use it.
Third longs. When you can't stop the offense, you've got to say one thing. Not getting enough pass pressure.
People are willing to go to for fame. They totally lied to the world. They had Blackhawks looking for their children. They almost shut down an international airport. When's it going to be enough for these psychos?
I have a